Hello, it's Raoul from Arc Access Studio, and welcome to our first tutorial explaining the importance of black and white values in post-production. Let's go. The composition is thought of in the early stages of 3D and is enhanced later on in post. In this image, we wanted the building in the center of the image while it is getting the most of the total lighting. Now we add a filter, black and white. Yeah, and then we divided the light values into a dark foreground here, a moderate sky, and bland sides. We want the sides to be less important in this image, so that the eye focuses on the center. First we did some render elements that we had made in 3D to add a bit more reflection to the car and the motion blur to the 911 turbo that you can see. The trees are also part of the composition, and in order to get them look integrated, we use color balance, hue saturation, and levels. These are very important. Now we turn on black and white. You see that the adjustments of the levels to the left tree looks a little bit more integrated in the image. The right tree is off, so we added levels, much better. Turn off the black and white, and then you see that the green is not matching. So the black and white doesn't affect the color. So we need to do these three colors the same. We need to have unified green in the image. So we use hue saturation, and then we added a shadow. Now let's turn on black and white. Yeah, you can see here that it is more integrated with the background. The black values are really well integrated. Now we turn on some grunge and decals. Looks good till now, but we wanted to get rid of the symmetry, so we added a person here walking. This is the final result of the person. As you can see, before the pants were really brighter than they should be, so we added some black overlay over them. Now we added a black foreground, darker foreground, and now the sky takes a big part of the composition, and it's a critical asset. In this image, we used a dark cloudy sky that gives more importance to the main building. Added some more curves for a darker foreground, and then we dropped the blues because you see that the sky is dark. It's gray, not blue, so we dropped the blue, and then we added some fog. This is the before and after. Hope you find it useful, and subscribe for more.